Hey guys, welcome back to Trek Pro. Today I'm going to show you how to make money online. So don't just waste your time, just make the money from it. So let's get started. Tech Pro, all tech is here.
Start from the zero and be the hero. So what you waiting for? Just join the big community. Subscribe, like and share.
Let's get started with this guys. So first site that I'm going to show you is the service site that provides you money in opportunities to make money. The rules of this site is a little complicated. You have to get the points from live polls and you can convert them after 25 days later to be redeemable, and any user can make money from it. It provides survey. You have to fill up the profile and so that survey can come to you. It also have live polls that give you every day make some money online, and live polls are great things that you can make money online just by going daily there, and daily bonuses are available there, but you can only spend them after 25 days later. You have to remember that. Here 2 points is equal to 1 rupee, so if you have 500 rupees you get 250 rupees. So it's a pretty good deal if you think about it. I already have 489, you can see it, and I can redeem 429 because the redeemable process is a little different. In my reward section you can see all the details that have been given here, and all the money that you can redeem is 250 rupees minimum amount. I already have 225, you can see it, and the rules are also given here that 45 days are needed to be redeemed the money. The only cons about this site is the service are not very regular, and also the money that you can redeem is only after 45 days, you can see. But the service that I have already taken also gives me 100 rupees, 25 rupees and 100 rupees also. So it's a pretty good site if you ask me. It's a great site if you are a student and a part-timer who wants to get some money by just wasting a few hours on service site. Then it's a great site for you, for especially Indian users, because it's made for Indian users. The link I already given in the description in this video. Go there, check this out, and please try to be consistent on this site. It's not a site that you just go there and make some money in 2 days, because it takes 2 months, 3 months to get payment, but you get a constant payment very well. Now let's check the another site that provides us a few more good survey site. So the next site is the Windy Research. Windy Research is not available for Indian users, sorry about that, but it's available for the US user and other regions too. So the Windy Research provides you surveys that ranging from $0.5, $0.3 to $2. And the best part about Windy Research is that it has so many research and so many surveys that you're going to get bored one after survey. It also has this affiliate program that provides you some extra money. And one of my favorite about Windy Research is that it can give us surveys that we can take more than once a day. So if we take a survey and we like that survey, then we can take that survey more than one time, and even sometimes 10 times. You can see in this list, so I can take it for 10 times in a day. So it's a pretty good site if you think about it. There are very few sites that gives you the opportunity to take a survey once again. So it's a great site, and it also provides you many surveys at a time. So the link that I have already given in the description, the minimum amount that you can redeem from Windy Research is $50. It's a cons about it because $50 is big and you have to take more. It's my favorite site guys. I have already given the link in the description. Just go there and make your account and start making money today, because this opportunity never gonna come to you. I have already have $2.2. You can see it. It just made in one day. See, one day and I have $2.2. So let's talk about the another site that I'm going to show you is named as paidviewpoint.com. This site also provides you some service that can give you some money for your regular basis, and the minimum or redeemable point is $15. You have to get $15, but things here is you don't get constantly in surveys. To get confidence survey, your trade score must be higher than 1000. If I say average is 1000, and if you get to 6000, then you can make one survey of $2. That's a great thing. You can see I already have $0.88. I just made this yesterday by filling some my details. After getting $15, I'm going to redeem my points. You can also redeem the, so just go for this site too guys, because this site is also very good. Now let's check another site that we have for our surveys. Now we have here the next site called Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a great site and a great platform. It provides almost many users their cases in the gift cards. So let me show you. When you sign up here, you get $10 bonus bill absolutely free. But let me remind you that this offer is only available for US users, so you must be a US user first to get $10 free bonus. So if you are from another region, that don't worry, this site is also available for any region across the world. So I'm going to sign in my account right now. I'm going to show you how this site is works and how much you can make from this. It provides you money in the form of SB. 1 SB is equal to 1 cent. That is 500 SB equal to $5. The minimum amount that you can redeem in the form of gift card is $5 only. So you have to get $5 to just redeem your wallet. It also provides you many popular ways to earn money. You can shop and earn SB, and you can even widget size to earn SB. You can take surveys to earn SB. You can redeem your point in the form of gift card. You can see I have already here Steam wallet card, $5 code that is worth of 500 SB, means $5. And there's also Paytm gift card available here. But you not only get $5 SB, but also there is $10 and $50 gift card available here. So you can redeem your point in here. I have already redeemed one gift card from this site that also provide me Steam gift card. I'm a gamer too, so I take Steam gift card. But if you want to take money in the form of PayPal cash, then you can also get it from here. So now we have Swagbucks here. Let's talk about a new website that provides you money in the form of just playing games. Yeah, you hear it right, you're just going to play games and earn some money. So the next site that I'm going to show you is called Bananatic. Bananatic is a famous site that provides you money in the form of bananas. You can get bananas just by playing games, completing quests, purchasing something from their advertisers. This game is basically provide you money in the form of banana, but also you can spend that bananas in Steam wallet codes, Amazon wallet codes, PayPal wallet code, and other online stores code. Okay, so you can see here this site provides you to play some games online, and when you play games online, you get bananas by completing tasks there, quests. And here you can see I can redeem that in the form of computers, hardware, GTA code, Amazon code, CSGO Steam, CSGO wallet code, and even some games money inside and Amazon's code. You can find all the gift cards here that they provide. You can see the amount that you need to pay for these cards. You can take US cards, UK codes, and other more things of related to Amazon. So this is how you get Amazon wallet code. That's it guys for today. If you like this video, please share it, like it, subscribe it. You know, new YouTube policies that new creators are having big trouble to get their channel grow. I need your support guys, please support me. And these are the ways that you can make money. So make money online. Thanks.